Hey guys, what's up? So I was surfing YouTube and I found a YouTube channel called Exit 707. And there's a guy doing magic tricks on the channel, and I saw this magic trick and I thought it was cool. It's an ace trick, an ace reveal or discovery. It's a pretty advanced trick and I like it. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, this is how the trick starts. Set the deck down, ask the spectator to cut the deck about in the middle. And then you'll have two piles. You ask them to cut each pile about in the middle. Kind of like this. So you have 4 piles. You pick up the first pile, flip over a card, you got an 8. So you count down 8 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the 8th card will be an ace. 1 ace revealed. The next pile is a 6. Count down 6 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th card will be an ace. Third pile. Flip over the top card, you got a 5. Count down 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And of course the last pile, we got another 5. Count down 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's a 4 ace reveal. There are some things to note here. 1. You notice that the 5 I flipped over was clubs. And the 6 I flipped over was hearts. And the 6 was diamonds, the 5 was hearts. And the 8 was spades. Now you notice this because I've got the deck in a particular order. The setup for this trick is what we're getting into now. Okay, the way I had the cards set up for this trick that you just saw was I just had them simply in suit, ace through king. All 4 stacks, in suit, ace through king. And then what I did, what you do for this trick, is you stack them like that, ace through king, all the way through the deck. And then you cut off 7, 8 cards and put them on top. Now because they're suited, the trick looks a little funny at the end when you actually do the trick because they're suited. So what you really want the deck to look like is this. Is you want them in numerical order, ace through king, but all mixed up on all of them. All of them are all mixed up, but they're in ace through king order. That's what you really want the deck to look like. If you're doing this as just a single trick, you know, standing by itself, you want the cards to be looking all mixed up, but you want them in numerical order, ace through king, ace through king, ace through king, ace through king. But you still want to cut 7 or 8 cards to the top, leaving the 8 on top, the 9 on bottom, and the ace, 5, 6 cards down. And then you're ready to begin this trick. This is actually a really advanced magic trick, because this makes the trick look better when you have the spectator cut the cards in about the middle. You have to stress about the middle. And then about the middle again. Now this time when you flip the card over, we have an 8 of spades. So we count down 8 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It just so happened to be the spades. Alright, but now we flip the next one over, we got a 7 of clubs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you got the ace of hearts this time. No correlation. Next card over, 7 of spades. Now this could be the spade, we don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and we got diamonds. It looks more random and more real. The other way, when the card you count matches the suit of the aces, it could be noticed. And then we got a 6, and it's spade, so we're obviously going to get a club. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we got the ace of clubs. Now this is actually a very advanced trick, because this is a standalone magic trick, yes. But if you try to incorporate this into an actual 5 or 10 minute card routine at the table, it's going to be hard to do. You'll need, I don't know, 3 short cards or 3 crimped cards to mark where the cuts are. You wouldn't be able to allow the spectator to cut it, because you'd have to be cutting them in the very specific places where your crimp card is or your short card is, so that they all end up where you want them, and when you're counting and reversing the order, you're putting the cards in the order you want. This is actually a super advanced card trick here. But yeah, it's a pretty easy card trick, standalone. It's a good way to reveal the aces, and then you can go into color changing aces or any other routine with the aces, but these cards are going to be now in strange orders with the numericals. Like this one's got 8 through king, and then it's got 2 through 8 in the same pile because of the way it's cut. But yeah, this is a pretty cool trick. I was streaming on TikTok, but I dropped my phone, shattered to a million pieces, trying to do a review video, and this was my stream setup, kind of. Share the video, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't, come back to watch the next one.